A blessed day to you all the lovers of freedom and the lovers of good society. A warm greetings to every one of you that have evidential value for humanity, and those of you that is also in this struggle, a quest for hygiene in our society. God will bless you all richly in the mighty name of Jesus. So there is something I quickly want to let us know right now. Please, if you are there, just kindly help share this very video. Just share it. As you do that, God bless you richly. You know, as I will always tell us before now, that we are in this very struggle together. This is not one-man business. It's supposed to be everybody's business. Or till you begin to take what's happening in your society to be part of the problem you're going through. Even as you are building hotels, building churches, raising up your children, you have to also join in the struggle of you having a better society. If not, there is no way you can live in such a society freely. And we are going to be taking a straight look at what's happening in Edo State today. You know, the truth needs to be said. The problem of Edo today are the Edo people, particularly the stakeholders. Let's first of all take a look at the issue of cultism of a thing. I put it there, what the economic importance of being a cultist. What is the difference between a cultist and a Fulani herdsman? What is the difference between a cultist and a Fulani herdsman? Until we begin to set these two record traits, my dear, all these shenanigans a lot of people are doing. They are fighting freedom, and they make people that causes mayhem, they are not talking to them. Now, who is the role model to all these cultists? Who is their role model? Is your father part of it? Is your mother part of their role model? Who are they looking onto? So, for a society to be great, there are a lot of things. The people at the forefront, there are a lot of things they need to put in place. Until they put it, nothing that will ever make such society to be great. That the very day you become an adult, you have to deprive yourself from a lot of things. If you don't do that, characteristically, you might be spoiling a lot of people. If you watch those social media space today, it has been bastardized with all manner of shenanigans. But for how long are we going to live in? We are going to keep on living in such society whereby the truth is not said. The only media we have right now, which we can fastly send message across to the people that want to hear it or that are supposed to hear it, is through the social media. But how are we using it? We have mesmerized it the same way today. Other states have cultists. There is cultism in other states. Why did the Edo State own become something else? Why did the Edo State own become something else? Because the people who would have tell these people what you are doing, deprive yourself away from me. They are the one instigating all these old things. Benin was one no attitude of blood. And a lot of you don't want to hear this. And I will keep on telling you the truth. Go and hit your head on the wall. The history is still there. I get these are some of the reasons it still remains. And something needs to be done about it. Atonement needs to be done about this shit. It's not normal that the youth will kill themselves this month. We just celebrated about 2 months of them not killing themselves. And right now they have started again. That's why I'm going to be calling upon the state government to please enhance a law, strictly law that can guide these very people. So that they stop this very nonsense that they are doing. Because government is to protect lives and property. And we have to be very, very strict in doing this very one, because our youth are dying. And people who would have also tell them, this thing you are doing, stop killing yourself. Those are their patron and their matron or whatever. the society where I grew up from, or how me I know this life to be, let's even assume when you were one first doing this thing, you were just growing up then when you were doing it. But right now you now become an adult. What are you supposed to do? You are supposed to get a hair out of that place and face another thing about your own life or whatever. We cannot continue like this. Eh? The government is to tell us to sweep our house. The government is to tell us all manner of things you can ever talk about. We cannot continue like that. I think we are in a very big mess. But a lot of people don't know this. We are in a very big mess. Because nobody knows who they are going to count their score tomorrow. And nobody knows who they will be killing tomorrow. Imagine you give birth to a male child or a girl child. Then automatically the societal influence that very child, he happens to join a secret cult. Maybe he or she did not know that one day, fight will happen and he will lose his life. Just okay, I want to belong to this group. That's some of the things that is fundamental that made people to enter those days. But it was not that rampant as this. They use it to boost in their ego, but right now it's killing. Fulani have not killed Benin recently, but look at cultism have started again. Now, I've said it several times with that number. These people should be declared as a terrorist organization, being that they refuse to repent. That is it. Terrorist organization, what they do, they kill people and they kill themselves. Let people assume that they are not killing anybody. They are always just, kind of fighting themselves. Must you fight and begin to eradicate lives? Although have now become that you cannot count your score years, bandits are there. The problem is yet unsolved. Fulani Esme are there. Then we also have another pressing need again. Then who is talking about this? And who are they looking onto? Who is their guy in these whole things? Please, I'm urging the state governor and the House of Assembly members. Now, when you were in secondary school, you were a cultist. Now you are no longer in secondary school. Why not just leave that place? Eh? Look at what Paul the Apostle said in the book of 1 Corinthians 13 verse 11. He said, when I was a child, I speak like a child. I talk like a child. He said, right now, now become an adult. I have to put away childish things. Why must you, what you joined 20 years ago, you are still there today? And you people, you are not adding any economic value to our society. Not that you are training up people morally. Now you be. If you are an elderly man, you are a court. You are a court. You are a fool. I come ready to say so. You are the biggest fool. Okay, look at the company. Look at the company you are keeping. What benefit today? You are a patron. You are a patron, or you are an oga to a secret court whereby they take people's lives. This group should be counted as a terrorist group. You are not going to the farmland to go and be protective farms. The federal government of Nigeria proscribed IPOB as a terrorist. Then you guys are shouting. What about your brother that is killing themselves? I know some fools don't think, because this is becoming too much. Let's assume, okay, it happens once in a year. It happens so mentally. If it is 2 months, 2 months. At times every month. What is the major problem? What are these people really looking for? What are they dragging for? Until the government have to bring up a drastic law or a drastic measure, these people, they won't stop. Okay, right now, the governor of the state has begun to revoke property from people who build the government land, which, to my own opinion, to everybody's opinion, I just go destroy that man's house. But if we want to have a good society, people must definitely feel bad about it. It must affect 1 or 2 persons. That's the way it is. But if we enhance like this, then in 10 years' time, Edo should be being a state of Eldorado. But how are we going to stop these killings? No meeting of such. Nobody have ever wanted to come out in that beneath any chieftains. They are using, but why is this the rich men? Why their children not using gun to kill themselves? Must it be these poor people all the time? The rich men, they are not killing themselves. You will not see any one of these chieftains or one political big leader that they use gun to kill his son. It's still the poor man. Because anytime they need blood, they will trigger fighting within them. Let's assume I'm a guy for something. Every number one man is accountable to me. I should be able to call them in order. Look at our constitution. This is our main purpose. The reason why the government gave us license for this thing is not for us to start killing ourselves. So that you have an opportunity to also have good friends outside in case of when you are looking for job opportunity or anything related to that. But today is for killing. Can you now tell me the difference between a cultist in Benin and a Fulani herdsman? All their mission is John chapter 10 verse 10. They are to steal, to kill, and to destroy. Imagine the pains, the mayhem you guys are causing by cutting people's lives. Okay, now the cultism is not helping in agitating for a better society. It is not helping the Ododuwa. It is not helping in restoration of Nigeria. The Fulani herdsmen, they are killing us. Instead of us to be strong. The people that have died now, not be what happened. The scores we counted last year through this year is much. How many of the Fulani herdsmen killed? But here we are, anytime we say the truth, particularly Edo people, they don't speak about anything like this. But before you know that, another side will come up. Let's call these people to order. Who are they really looking onto? Please, if you are led, you can click love and like there. If you are led, you can be putting love and like so that also enable posting this very video immediately. Whom are these people looking onto? I think I need to try something here. I need to first of all try something here. Please, the more you click love and like, the more the video is, you just try to give a push to the video, please. Most of the time, we don't just, not that we just, okay, yeah, that's audio. Not that we just want to talk, that's why we are coming out. If you look at it, our topic is not sad. We are not here to be individualistic about anything. No, it's not like that. Huh? Who are the people encouraging these people? Please, now, if those states must even move forward, man, of building infrastructure, we have to first of all build ourselves. We are not yet mature in mind. Or make there are things, associations you no longer find yourself. A man can be in an air can. I'll be saying it, but nobody supporting this very struggle. I really know Dion Wayna or with the Canaria. Let the elders beneath rise up. Even before you start committing crime, we are leaving everything for the vigilante. We are leaving everything for the vigilante. Okay, who is spearheading these same people? Who are they looking onto? Who they resemble? And who is their role model? Role model matters a lot in life. You see today now, one Cristiano Ronaldo put here in for year. Or small boy where their brain never turn, they'll go to wear earring. Okay, now, what the person want to imitate me, they do now. You go let imitate me, say, okay, now, left is a society. But there are people that has money, but they are cultists. People want to be like them through that same cult. Or till people start denouncing, or start renouncing their cultism, things will not get better. A lot of people, they have been looking onto, please, I've dropped this very thing, again, you know, you can be in any association. You can be in any association. You don't know when they are going to start fighting and shoot bullets mistakenly, they'll say you be person. The reason why we always agitate for a better society is that one society is good. There are a lot of things you are eligible to have. One, you sleep and wake up in peace. You don't need to start banding demons. This bad society is what make Christianity in Nigeria or in Africa today become a different thing entirely. Because once, you be very, very careful, may you not go pass through the day waiting in Losso, then your parents will start fasting and praying for you. Eh? Because our society is bad, that's why people even sleep in the church. If our society is good, what are you going to be praying to more prayer for? I've never seen any Obama fast. Fast for what? Is he stupid? He's not mad now. Fast for waiting now. Everything is there. If you are looking for work, you see it. But people have been fasting for job for so long. Yeah, mommy. But our mentality right now is there. But not knowing that if we have a better society, at least the one who can stop. Buhari is not also the cause of this. Fulani is not the cause of this. Nigerian is not the cause of this. Look at criminality everywhere. Criminality everywhere. If you look at the police sector, now social court is full there. You being a police alone, you are supposed to be more than a courtist, but a policeman will also be a courtist. What do they use and do? And these are the people that doesn't have license to any gun. You that have license to gun, what do you want the courtists to do? I don't know how we find ourselves here. I don't know people encouraging these people. Governor, please, every one of us should come out and speak against this very thing. They will see talk to them now, they will see rest. Oshiomhole started this whole thing. If Oshiomhole have crumbled this thing, not encouraging them, imagine the 1 5, you go give them money. Give them money for waiting. Give you money for waiting. Give you money for. They should be tagged as a terrorist organization. That's all. They should be charged as a terrorist organization. Because terrorist organizations, they keep people. That's what they do. Systematically, if you must have a better society, let's start building it from somewhere. Come and do the courtesy here abroad. Come and fly your beret here abroad. Come and fly it. Go and tell police abroad that you are here or you are here. God punish you there. Can you identify yourself? Can you identify yourself? If Nnamdi Kanu was a courtist, therefore never declare and since go dig them out. Look at what the Kaduna and the Kanu is pulling. Number 2 man combat the number 1 man, the Nigeria. They couldn't do it. What a single man is doing. Fighting for your liberation. He's in jail right now. So what they went to jail for you. So the boy was almost assassinated for you. But what are you using your courtesy for? Why every guy look at it. No one is responsible. What is any courtist that kill you are Buhari is better than you. Buhari is better than you. What's the difference between you and Buhari? The difference between you and Herdsmen? You belong to a group that take people's life. Do you know how much for IVF? Go and price how much for IVF. Again, the Omogo hate no nowadays. You have to use people use 10 million to get a baby. 10 million. But also you start seeing that most of the things that happen in society is bad. We will not get it right. We won't get it. There is never a time we will get it right. This is how we are going to read lamentation. Everybody's getting old right now. Everybody's getting old. I'm just 18 years right now in this janja with the world. So how many years remain? It is how now so we just take the day they go. Some of you are somewhere what you are benefiting from the government abroad. You are not even sensible. As at your 80 years, go and think about your life. Or do you think your children will be so foolish? When they are those ones going to be in California, being somewhere, enjoying their life with their children, enjoying their life with their wives. Do you think the load that your children carry, you carry your father and your mother's body, your children will be carrying for you? You are wasting your time. Just pray that they should have the West mentality. And most of them, they are gotten it already. That's why a lot of things you do today, your children, they don't support you to do it because it's nonsense. Do you know what they teach them in school? You don't know what they teach them in school. They don't teach them in school that you must take care of your father and your mother because you know they Oyibo custom. Oyibo go meet your own son for bar. If you not tell Papa say, come, I'll buy something for you, you go they look at there. He won't care. That's why everybody they build the passion for giant. If Papa disturb her too much, Papa no me yama man. When you dey young, where you dey? Say the money we get now for himself. Then instead of to use the little train we have right now, your eye can still take American and fit like you think that just all. Una know where una dey. Can anybody, investor should come to Benin, can anybody go there now? Issue of Fulani is there, Herdsmen is there, banditry is there, kidnapping is there, cultists is there. So just look at it. If the whole place can just crumble, let the generation comes up. The so-called father that claim their father, they are not doing anything. They are handicapped by a lot of things. But look at what people are fighting for today. They are fighting what is not even relevant. But the relevant is they don't fight about it. You don't know when the society will influence even your own son to go and join cultists. But if this thing is being managed, we give them a framework. This is the boundary. The constitution should be shown again to them. Wole Soyinka is getting old right now. Only what Wole Soyinka invented was to bring in this whatever. Wole Soyinka should be counted as a terrorist. Professor Wole Soyinka, because he is the one that invented this nonsense. Only what he could do in his life. Now, person today invent phone. Android na person inventor. What Wole Soyinka could invent is a courtesan. Now this thing have no economic value. It put people into pains. Pains it causes for people. And we are there romancing it. Most of your useless father, all of them, they are there in the same court. Why not go and join a Kankan? Why not go and join a Krishna? What Illuminati? Anyway, you see, at least you can make love with your son or you can sleep with your first daughter. Illuminati they can take you. So far you can pay the price. You kill yourself in a cold blood. Then later you say the government, okay, now if you are responsible, what do we even need security for? If you are responsible, I have never one day questioned here, even when I was in Nigeria. What am I going to cause such tension for? If everybody, every youth, every man have the kind of man that I have, home and abroad, the police will have a lesser work to do. The policemen will have a lesser work to do. It is because you are useless. Your father is mad. Maybe some of your mothers did it not. They are useless. That's why they are even funding the police. Will I go to Benin and police will start looking for me? Look for me for what? Or they'll come arrest me for what? I'm only going to be arrested as a freedom fighter. I will never be arrested as a courtist. But look at how those people choose their celebrity. As many people you can kill, make you a celebrity. We got all your record. Look at any of them where they reign. We don't have a science student or the best civil engineer of the year. The road where it takes is 10, 20 years. We want to give you an award today because you are the best road taller or you are the best builder. We don't have the best iron bender, but we have the biggest, the most person that, how many score where you feel can make you a celebrity. Check out their celebrity. Just go to Benin. Check out they take the reign. Their name take the top line. Because they are killer. That's why it's like that. That is society you want people to come and invest. I talk and the problem where they do, it passed the one way in Nigeria. But because most of you don't think, you feel you can just sleep and wake up and sleep in your stupid house, and that's all. We are in a very big mess in that city. We are in a very big mess. Mothers are not ready to have as mother. Fathers are not ready to have as father. Imagine when my father was alive, for example, my father would not gather in midst of my friends. My father would say, Abakraya, Ajon Toye. Don't look at an elderly man. A Noge will be a courtist just to make sure that he oppresses people in selling land. This one is supposed to be a revolution against these old fools. Here you see, they don't go cause problem. They can't carry the youth head face on. They are the one intensifying this whole problem. Okay, let's even assume a boy that is growing up, 20, maybe you never took guessing. You just join something. When you now become 40, drop him. Concentrate on your family. Who you want your children to be that time now. Okay, now most of you, if your children is like this, how will you feel? You, that man, will be their guy. Maybe because a John will do a meeting. If your children is like this, how will you feel? And may all your children convert and become useless the way you are useless people like today. Will get attacked. Okay, how did they get all this man? You are not a soldier. Automatically you take law into your hand, killing people, then you want people to start bringing their children home. People can even kill now, all the name of a bandit or no government. People are killing their enemy right now. For those of you traveling home, be very, very careful. No people like us will embark on a journey to die right now because they will use anybody against you because everybody now have license to go. How will the government be able to do all this? How will the government be able to do all this mess? Nobody even knows who is to die first. Nobody knows tomorrow. What we are supposed to speak against, we don't speak against it. Look at 1 Timothy chapter 5 verse 17. He said, let the elder that rule well be counted worthy of double honor, excepting those that labor, especially those that labor in word and in doctrine. Will your father today be counted as double honor? As I just be now, I've been number one man then. Okay now, I'll just reach one office for Jan. I'll say, I'm number one man. I'm Vikings. Okay, they now make them give me job. Just look at how KKB. People are inventing things every day by day. What have we learned here that we have taken home? Go see France right now. Coty is full there. And who are these people? We know them. We know their tribe. Because they are very less importance set of human beings. But here we are now with the phone pass. Once we are able to start building house, our life is completed. But why not let make impact? Let's value ourselves. That's why we both today, they are still the best in the world. The West is still the best. Any of you now who may pray we are laboring because we blast, we are very wicked to ourselves. Fulani herdsmen killing us, we are complaining. What is now the difference between Fulani herdsmen and a cultist? Are you not seeing their mission right now in John 10:10? To kill, to steal, and to destroy. Okay, what is causing this so far? What is causing this so far? Who are they looking onto? So the House of Assembly member, I heard that most of you, and then they cut you, worry about. Okay, wait till make you they cut. I pay salary no what? They are not paying you salary. Why not just say, okay, now this life I'm living, will it impact anybody? Okay, you don't know how to keep people. You people just they fear you now for. You know they see Israel Adesanya, not be Yoruba boy. You know they see Joshua. Is it also Yoruba boy? Go, no, go follow that one fight for now get strength. Israel Adesanya is a champion in middle distance kickboxing. Go if you get strength, stop all this nonsense. Find something, you can be a best weight lifter. I can't get it. Killing each other becomes a different thing entirely. Do you know how many of the same cult people today who are crippled today? Some of them don't collect bullets. Don't see most of them here, bro. They are not even, they can't even maintain themselves. Just to smoke igbo. That's all. Where are we going from here? No time you ever hear good news about that particular place. Where we're not at there, we stop consistent nuisance. Now, court boys supposed to paddle and they can't jump if you know say you're strong. But all you know, you guys know how to do is to kill yourself. What's even happening in the world? I want people to come and challenge me. The economic importance. You cannot manufacture money. You cannot do trade. You don't even know how you has been. A lot of you have never wanted to see even a crude oil in your life. You have not seen it once. Even the gun you cannot manufacture. Common road right now, be shouting, government, please. The civil engineering student, go and meet the governor. Tell the governor what you can do. You guys are not going. Only in a door you will finish just to go to school and practice cultism. That's all. They don't have field of studies. At the end of the day, you work and work and work. Is it not last year they increased your salary from 18,000 to 30,000? Okay, how will a 30,000 sustain you? Look at the old, you both bus driver, all of them is now cultists. All of them. So far you can fight your mates. What have been your benefits? Since you have been doing all these things, what have been your benefits? Huh? Only what we are known for. Other, look at Igbo. That's why I'm not discriminating. Igbo people, they are Chinese of Africa. What Igbo man can do with his head, the Edo man cannot do it. Average Edo man cannot do it. What we are known for, they gave us. We are not the highest human trafficker. The way we take carry them, now made them name us human trafficker. And we accepted it as a name. We accepted human trafficker as a name. Right now, we are being tagged. No, yes, it is true. Now, what did these people see? And you still hear so and so person. Now, see court. You guys will never get respect from me. As soon as you keep on these shenanigans, can you go to UN and say, yes, I'm Mr. So and so. I'm a CBO friend. I'm a head of Vikings. Go to UN and say it. Go to UN and say it. Or come to Spanish embassy. I am a leader or a filter from Igbobazuwa. I'm the head of a year. Go to there and say it. Don't you see you're an animal? Where can you ever address your court name and send that letter to a good body? Like you want to solicit for visa for America or even to Niger. Can you address yourself as a court? Have you ever wanted to be filling form and I say court you belong? You can say yes. I'm in Ogbelaka court in Black Hat. Can you? Is there any form that carry it? It is called a secret court. But today, we enjoy doing it. Nobody bloody care about these things. How can human life not value? You will not value your life. How full anyone want to value you? How will they value you? We are in a very big mess. Now only we want minority. Now only we want to kill ourselves. Who is the people heading you this very court? If you know say I belong to your court, confess me, write the comment there. But that make me not to be strong. And funny enough, they don't love themselves. These same people, they don't love themselves. Let they deport one again now. The rest again no go man, you're on your own. If you don't know now, no. In the early 90s, there this man Agbangbanya. No, not be Agbangbanya. No, not be Agbangbanya. Oh, he need my man to for Romania. Now God they those are go destroy his house. Both of them was in Ugboni. God they those are go remove the roof. Now that year now they spoil borderhood. I remember her name just now. Because this one I'm person where I know. God they those are go both of them they Ugboni. Those are go remove it. He go remove the roof. Check the people that have passed. What have they gained? If wherever place you are in life, if whatever thing you are doing, if you do and well, whether you be HSO, that they call you Juma, my dear, you go last pass, you not be Juma. Some girls say my boyfriend are here, now God go punish that your boyfriend will be here. Ah, what be here, what boom, what? Come and tell police there here that you are number one man, so and so this. What you have been? The next one you don't do is 20 years. What are you gaining? Okay, since we have been having problem right now, none of you could mobilize yourself and say, okay, now we need to defend our land. Only few people defending in social media, they are defending it because the money have been given. Killing yourself, well, what does that have to mean? The place I'm talking from right now, it is people like you and I who build it. The people that were in Spain 100 years ago, they are no more. You know, guy, one big way you come there. You not be Methuselah. They are no more today. But is this what you want your children to also inherit? Is it what you want your children to inherit? Our Bible way there, those states, you not even there north side. But yet we are not reading anything. Who is doing all this? And what are they using this blood for? That every month, blood must touch ground and it must be courtesan. So is it not enough for all the number one man to come together and say, this is not the main aim why we form this thing, to start cleaning and say, this thing should be addressed. Before you know now, they'll say so and so commission and I hear, so and so DPO now. What are you doing there? You will not already get power to go. What are you doing? Just for you to chat back here, it's not giving you food. Look at US today. Donald Trump said, he said, everything will be made in America. They do their own thing themselves. If that's why they give you passport because of your importance. They all see Chinese now where they don't do with the immigrant there. Before you know, they don't equip them. If go your day, their laboratory there, they do something, come on. Now only a doma they defend vaccine where not do. Only a do people now they defend vaccine where they don't know chemical where they inside. But nobody will come out now and say, this thing must stop. No government parasitors will ever come out and condemn this thing. Okay, look at what Oshomole said, who is there, Yamu. Tell me why those state government will not destroy Isaiah Yamu house. Is Isaiah Yamu no man enough to say, okay, right now, I used to be this thing when I'm in school. And Pastor Osage Isaiah Yamu, with the grace of God over my life, I used to be so and so when I was, but now no more. For those of you who are looking onto me that I was this before, but they won't say it. They will not say it. There are people today that want to be like Isaiah Yamu. What they want to do, they will start to try to go and join courts. Because they want to be like Isaiah Yamu. Then what are we talking about? Huh? There are some certain things you want to do. Start stretching it from the make source. Okay? That's the best way it can be done. I get purposefully, if Isaiah Yamu one will be truthful to himself, don't come out on TVC channel. It will help. Let one or about 10 chieftains in Edo there come out and denounce this thing. Now that Eye and Aye, Black Hat Vikings or whatever, or Bokania, children of our jacket, we hereby the support we are giving to them before we find out that they now do agbeli mamo. Because we have been on one where we be 1 Corinthians 13 verse 11. When I was a child, he said, when I was a child, then you were in university, you act like a child, you speak like a child. Right now you are now a man, almost becoming a grandfather. You want to still keep the hood, the brotherhood. Oh, you know me, who are these children looking onto? Will anybody look onto me now? I become a cultist. You will only look onto me and go and read your Bible. You will only, I will be a role model for you to go and read your Bible. Most of you at times, so calling me, if my children can be brilliant like you, maybe not be brilliant. So what you are doing is great. I want my children, may your children be greater than me. Then I'll come bump it, maybe like Yamu. For what? I will not do that. I want to use the Yamu as a case study here. We should be responsible for once. Okay, when you were in school, as Oshomo talk this thing, follow you that time. Help these people. Most of these children, until they don't get sense, so most of them they are brain dead. All what comes to them. Okay, now I told us one time here. Now, person user and laugh me say, I clear 100 by 100 naira. Which year was that? That should be the year 1990 or so. I did not even know because me and my friend we like hustling. Let's just at least manager 11 na. Ako we yo gidari ele. We uselu. We agari bata. Nini bata say oversize we no anwambu. Abdeni magani. Just because we want extra money for ourselves, we'll go to do job. Until one day person use and laugh me. A friend of mine used my now I can go check the land again and say, okay, now I never knew. But can I do it again? And that was when I was in charge. Can I clear 100 by 100 naira again? And no. I may not even have the strength to clear 100 by 100. I want to give it to people. I will send 100 euro for them. Me don't enter down now. No say to send person message lead change for and say not be crying. But during my time, the last work when me and my friend go before we enter jam and I made block with their road. The person on my house out today. Why am I, but does that stop me from becoming who I want to become? No. Why am I putting all those examples here? Whatever your little beginning today, you must get to where you are going to. But be responsible for once. If I don't cut, they'll keep me through away. A man that want to get to a destiny, do not join all these things. Particularly right now, it have been mesmerized. Join an association. I will meeting a door your one. I will say no. It will become a mutual help. Your pa go there, they go surround you. They are go see that you see surrounding. It's better than all this gone. What are you going to gain? What are you gaining? Your life will be at risk. Before you know, a year for a you don't find problem. Then a year with Dogida. Na go suffer put. Okay, why you are? For example, now activities they give us a problem. I think I'm bad for don't come arrest me one day. The best way to make where me I for stand now, number one man not go fear identify himself there. I may just be in airport now. I'm activist social and swap offer. I'll just show my ID card back. Ogba go just trip, but can't show yourself say you be number one man here. You will be arrested. Please, our people need to wise up. Let's discourage these people about it. All the top do enigi. What don't they not say courtesan now? He's not helping us. He's putting Edo State in a state of doom. The most less value people is Edo people. But you will not know. You I know what I'm saying that you are not saying. I always put attention on that. Say, what must we do to make sure our state goes forward? It's my mind all the time. But a lot of you don't understand. You cannot never understand. It's not bad. You go to the book of 1 Corinthians 13 verse 11. When I come to Nutik Minigun was a child, I speak like a child. I thought like a child. I understand like a child. Now, man, what am I supposed to do? I have to put away childish things. Am I so warona or can you have bomb can worry or when you go can so you row or my macho it courtesy navigate. There are some people you eat in their house those days. Any small thing, I worry or woman of them. You know we are grown up now, shame go just catch you. People still have that mentality today. That same mentality, what will make anybody see 25 years. You are being in a group, and this group today, they have not recorded anything good. You have not been able to even help yourself. They don't help themselves. The guy that I told you people that one day that he carried my back and I gave him back, make it sell him. Take him on inside at least. What he told me was about 350,000. That is minimum. Because I power back. I balance okay now. If I see 200, you take, bring 150 come for me. All thing I not see and see that, but he's a cultist. When they deported him, now me take care of him. Very weak, very useless set of people. But his friends, they not help him. He was here in my town before. He might watch this video, know what I'm saying. The last time I hear or even hear from her, now the same character, because he never do well, he's a never do well. What are you gaining? What are you gaining? What, okay, now Nnamdi Kanu was able to decolonize a lot of mind of Nigerians, telling you what is government, your government is doing to you. What are you using your cultism to achieve? That's the question. Whether you are you see there or you they see the corner, they can't cause. What are you going to benefit? Don't you think how many people you are joining people to kill? You mobilize to kill them, will also kill your children. From Italy to Germany, from Delhi, UK, because what you saw now you go reap. You don't know. Then God want to make you feel how painful it is. I was not supposed to be on live video today, but I'm putting this message across to all these shenanigans. And funny enough, they don't even have strength to fight. If I even call one cultist for Jan here now he go to run for me. If I come here, wait for him, he not go come out too. Because he know that he's in a mess. What are you gaining? What are you gaining? What are you gaining? Just from Boko Haram. You guys, if people like all their government, where till go, come on. The way of Donald Trump take crumble ISIS for 6 months. Any cultist that is not behaving well in Edo should be counted as a terrorist organization. But they won't do it because House of Assembly member, all of them, they are there. What is it benefiting? Una not even get there to fish rich life. Una not get there to tie road. All you the name of politics. Now this say we will not even be cultists. Now make Obaseki even win election. Or the Tiger and Lion will beat them woefully. The Tiger and the Lion will knock them woefully. We lock them for a second. They couldn't do anything. So there is power in unity. There are police that are there. Somebody they humiliate you. Go and cry and meet the police. That's why our judiciary should be threatened. There should be law and order. I said it one day, Obaseki should please set up a body that people will go to complain to instead of this fight. Let any young boy that they've offended have a free access to that place. Let him make his complaint down. Just the same way Do Vigilante is now. Let them have an office where people go and give their complaint. Look at what this guy did to me. Oh. He collected my girlfriend. Send people to go and investigate. Those are some of the things that trigger all this problem. Let's try a way to see. After putting those things, then the person in question refused to come and report. Wait till go make and carry gun kill this person. Then we'll come to say, man, the thing is inherent in him. At the same time, you're unable. A body should be settled that at least control this, because these people, they are wayward, they are wayward. And as we are creating the body, we are also at the same time diffusing that city of bloodism that though we are known for, beneath we are known for in 80 something. That what made the British to come. Why is the land always asking for blood? Why? Why is the land always asking for blood? And these children must be the one to kill themselves. It is not a fight between the outsider and the insider. It's a fight between the insiders. Brothers and brothers killing themselves. Please, more love and life. At least this one should be funny enough. These same people right now, they know how to kill. You can just go Nigeria with your children tomorrow. I know a lot of people will say, and how to run, not they, my dear. The society is not safe. No say you not there. Your enemy can just sell you out. All in the name of cutting and Ogbowo. Right now, charges you have to take care of. How many of our child right now can do feeling? A lot of you who were good guy, but you are forgotten because railway bonnet. A lot of you suffer. A lot of you don't even enter down before you know what it is the copper. You never knew about it. What this Europe have given to you, in reciprocating, what are you giving back? The best thing you can give anything back is to also join to talk about the heinous in our society. That's the best thing we can do. So let's blunt up this archaic idea. Let's go and read this 1 Corinthians 13 verse 11. When I was a child, I speak like a child. I understand like a child. I talk like a child. Now I now become a man or a woman. I have to put away childish things. Why are we still carrying it along? Why not leave it behind and begin to press forward? What I'm fighting for right now, I want to see a better society. I know what we have benefited here. I'm just unpacking right now. Nobody will see your phone. Look at out there. How much is Guyana? In Africa, shop is about €3.50 more. We are the domo do yegbo, you know. But there are people today who still love to go and thief fowl. We all know that the situation of things is bad. Yet, instead of fighting yourself, why not protest and tell the government, please look at what we need. Join this your power together. The same strength that what the apostles were having in the war, that we are using in burning church, he was on the way to Damascus to go and burn the church. When the angel of the Lord arrested him and said, Paul, Saul, why that persecuted me? It was God that changed, it was the Holy Spirit that changed the name of Paul, the name of Saul to become Paul. Saul died, then Paul had to continue the journey. All those are some of the misery in life. You cannot keep on doing one thing and expect a different result. Too much bloodshed in our society. God is not happy. If God is not happy with you, how will you have a stable, a sustainable environment? It's impossible. Eh? We are doing our best from abroad here. Person go sick. Now diaspora go do this one. If you did diaspora, you are a cultist, then you are still encouraging people at home. Now God go punish you here. Come and do the fighting. I beg you in the name of God, come and fight me as a cultist. Look for me. Me, I don't say now you they look for me. Let me see how many men you are going to bring out to start looking for me down. Maybe that won't make you to retreat from doing bad. What are we benefiting for crying out? I can't get it. I can't get it. Home is useless. They almost make it useless. I know how much money government spend to crumble these people here abroad. Both in Italy. And who are these the same people? Now one set of people. Look at Senegal, they will come down, they don't get time for courtesan. They just go they sell glasses and all this bag. Eh? Now that they say they go. We are our own life now, different thing. People even have opportunity right now to speak in social media. They are not even saying what they are supposed to say that will make our society to be good. Look at everybody that reign in Benin. All of them, 1 or 2 person blood in their hand. And we go see no. Now we they celebrate fast. If they do better, you'll see better everywhere. You are an animal now celebrating a terrorist. Celebrating a terrorist. May what responsible I live by 20 years time, all this foolishness will stop. Maybe my children don't grow that time. All the foolishness will stop because why so we're here thinking at the age of 17 million was it. And thank God now they one away for your body. No very stupid set of people. Good society there are people, somebody will come and say, hey, if you see my boyfriend are number 1 man, oh idiot to him. Akpa now you be. You be akpa bobo. This one will come and my senior brother number 1. And so what? Walking and walk, bomber. Unumoto. How many cars have you manufactured? Only we want. We go fight bandits. We will fight Fulani. You have never one day carry your phone and talk about the heinous that's in Nigeria on what we are going to do about it. It doesn't bother any of you. You see a political teaching. This man so is there Yamu that Oshomole accused you? You want to occupy political office. You want to occupy public office. You couldn't tell Oshomole, say Oshomole, I'm no longer that again. Oh. Let me correct Oshomole. Maybe that when I was in school, I wouldn't see the Kwama. Allegedly, according to Oshomole. Now, you did come out and debunk it. Or clear your hand away from me. And what you belong is there, Yamu. Then you want to be another statement. No wonder, may God give the governor of the day more power to even revoke all your properties. Because you have not done well. Any person that must be in public domain, let people see 1 or 2 things in you. We want to marry Okokian here. Who are Solomon? We can know you are Solomon. Una mwekono wevanya gwe den ugumwe di todo again. I can't get it. We are just in a very big mess. A very big mess. Look at what we are promoting. Look at what we are celebrating. Look at what things that they are tagging us with. The Fulani today, they put something on ground. They have an agenda. They have an agenda. They want to collect your ancestral land away from you. That Osakpolo will now become a Hushman. That Osakpolo name will be turned to Hushman. Osakpolo name can be turned to Obama. Arab name. Then only Wagbe. If not because of this man today, you that are ranting, they ain't conquer one. But you have right, you cannot see. A man Sigoaleli is paying the what the old cultists in Nigeria couldn't do is what one man. He had disciples everywhere. How does his spirit enter me that today, even in prison, I'm there with him in the prison? It's not politics. But how many of you have the courage to do it? Look at the society you are raising up your children from. Look at the bad society you are raising up your children from. The grace that you have that you will be able to responsible. Do you think your children will have it? Your children will one day leave you and go to school. His boyfriend can lure him into it before you know how you see graduation. Do you know how many parents today, they have no male child? Because their friend lured them into courts. But if this thing is not there, will he die young? No, he will not die young. No governor have ever come and say, no, this thing. Please, Obaseki, find something to do about it. Stop building company. You go know your mukbane do. You stop killing her. Whatever it will take you. If I were to be in your government, I do man. I want a chief. I want. I have VMA wakidianre. No game. I have a belu be you wow. Because no sense in nothing. It's not tolerated in any way. I remember working once in a while. Once in 10 years. Always a have a crash. We have an organization, Black Lives Matter, Any River, Antifa, Any River. You get one other one again, what do you call you get one other one. We have a lot of this association in America. Who also dictate the government. Government, look at why are you doing this thing like that? Was it not Antifa that attacked Capitol, the Washington DC? It was them. You are not united together doing anything. Before you know you have a counter score. Eh? All your mates are learning football. And the man when if you're going wrong, if you're going wrong, or you're going to select the poor people. You are poor in head, you are poor in thinking. We are not seeing anybody one day where oh yes so and so person on me go. Who know be your cut? Who know be Esama Bidikidon, Chief Dr. Gabriel Sawa Igbenedion. Who know be all record already no Yosik Bolo. Now this a poor danger with idiots. Now you but all of you have not been able to rise up one day and say, I am this oh but this time one faller, all the Fulani wait then. You can never because you are an idiot. You can't do it because you are an idiot now. You know yourself. I when I go wagwan. Why there we mona bag on mona carry conjan. Useless set of people. Now make our country today be anyhow. You know, but what about Wanokwa is not doing what is right? I go cut Iguan, I go back the no Guan, I go back politician Guan, all the useless, stupid, traditional, the political leader, Nemawe, I go Yanguan. All these domo I spoil everywhere. That's why I love America. Who want greeting? Did America traditional greeting? Good morning. If kids don't take in, about 20 years go greet you where they this is it. You go say good morning, bro. What's up, yo? How you doing, yo? You don't go now. Too much of this laboratory or bear with my a demoralization. Naki everywhere. Umak big wherever you so na problem. Imagine one greet mistress for school. There in my heart, good morning, ma. May God bless you. We are happy to see you. All these are useless. Those are useless. Tradition wa mama feel imagine. But me where they talk and I be bad person. Bonus year here is bonus year. You not get any other way you want to greet your boss. Good money is good money. Bonus Saturdays. Until we change this our traditional greeting to good money. They don't know why I talk by esa. You would have you when you told it. Not by hand so Indian yes again echo number. Is that one we are talking about? Neno January seen I got soon. I'm you just seen. You see mad people everywhere. Problem go there and nobody want to talk truth about it. Because that chief na year number 1 man. A year go the key, you no go want condemn. This is the major problem we are facing. Because there is no single truth in the land. Now, the governor of the state is trying to bring truthfulness. Government property is government property. Demolishing people's building that were building in government reserved area, then people are quarreling. We want to have a better society. But you are not ready to pay the sacrifice that will make you to have a better society. So if we must have a better Edo, all this courtesy must be crushed. Must be crushed. It have no economic importance. Area monoma, they are depopulating us. All these are the big gates in Edo State. A big gate let me go nowhere. We are facing vaccine problem here, bro. Now, international community now will constantly stop you, consider the faculty. Why not use your head? You get where you go mature, rich for this land. If no get criminality, worry boy. As old as I am now, very person then he do ya way me. I will tell one police guy one day. I say, when I come to this time, we are wearing pampers, and it is true. When he told me, he said he just completed about 23 years. I said it. When I entered this very country, you were wearing pampers. Then at that small because come and cop me. That's why I will not commit crime. Commit crime for what? Commit crime. Just look at it. Is it not a shame? Or monuwese no beer? Or do I tell you Negro na mieda because you are committed crime? If you not do police anything, can't insult you. If you insult, if you feel look, just tell them, Kayate, shut up your mouth. KDC. Fuera de tu eso na mieda ropa. Now the constitution now the respect will be you. Can you say it? Because you are courteous, you can't say because they are going to dig you. They will catch you one day on a completed building. We know the fight we are fighting. If all black man here in Europe is like us, at least our respect for them they have small. Not be money, be everything. At least integrity matters a lot. Integrity you are living down for your children. You want them to start looking your children as also an animal that sleep on top of one of these trees. It was what they saw that our forefathers they did, the way they were selling us. That was why they call us black monkey. Our forefathers, the way they were selling us into slavery to all the Janja widow Igbo, that was why they call us animal and black monkey. But are you been able to change the narrative? You can't change it. Because you are see they do mumu. Only when you know Edo people is alive in Germany is when the German people try to deport anyone. You can see now they are deporting also. Have you ever one day where they are even deporting you to? If you know one day you face deportation, talk about the illness in your society. You can't say it because you are on an oath. You can't say it now. For how long? You have to be a courtesy before you dress. You have to be a courtesy before you carry the best woman. Eh? You're there somewhere, you go to Babegbe. I can drive anywhere I am. I can bust into any office. If me at the enter court with boldness. If at the enter session, I want to go look for person. At the enter anyhow. I'm not under any investigation. Huh? Ave John man no live in. Eri live society na nama. Killing here and there. Omanagbo why can't score. Some of you now why marry why be here. You don't even know how those people get their children. I don't know what we choose to benefit from this kind of wayward life that we are living. On Agbona, people will see this video now, they go jump and pass. They want to go and listen to gossip. Before this world will end, most people will not even know that this world is going to end. News you cannot listen to. Up till now, That same thing where you live for Benin, I feed you with the nana, Eriona, I want to gossipers. People does not want to improve in anything they are doing. Oh, all of them, they are in lab right now. Funny to see the next one they are going to bring out. I can't wait by now. Even with those people to what we are known for. Look at what one guy did to on our do years ago. On our way, they can't do it. When I was in Nigeria, he told me to the player, I'll go back on Smith for Testament Johnson. I taught myself artwork. The records are there. I will still start putting some of those things in social media. Why am I always saying some kind of funny stories about myself? It's for the people that are growing up so that they make them forget sense. But you that is there, and you always go to party and be bossing anything. 40-something where you bossing anything. What are you teaching these youths? They are very brain dead. Right now, social media was not there. Also, we manaria. So I want to picture Agrippa or do I go to? How they wonder some people. Very cool. We were now in a picture of the Agrippa, 50 years old man. Not be juju be that. Kai shit, man. Now everything where the rapist they do, man oh man, every who now, man go one snap picture, go closer, he go they look down like this. What are you looking for? Why not snap normal picture? So the man oh man, he go snap picture like this. Man oh, he go snap picture like this. Where are we going from here? You don't know you are polluting the society. There are a lot of things I would have loved to do. I won't do it because there are people that are watching me. There are people that are watching you. But you won't know. I've seen a man. I know they blame the women because they are wired to play. Man go they look around like this. Picture. What will be your problem? 50 years old man. Now that day I know say we are finished. Oh waffle, a redemption runner. Oh basaki yon pa agwo wa, yon pa fate Curtis, yon pa fate Fulani. The government see the tire. The government they tire. I guess when you go your looky people where come where they call them they come government get wafe. Where you know go collect money from Fulani say go and eat anything at all. Very laughable situation. If Nigeria go to suffer for 600 years, Edo might suffer for 700 years. Because Nigeria ama, Edo yema, because a lot of shenanigans in Bungo. Some of the things we have put into our day-to-day life, we need to change. All this, if you know you are a role model, you are a stupidity. You guys, I don't wonder people call people celebrity. It is stupidity. Why are accolade in here? Someone can talk and insult people. Does not make that person a motivational speaker. The ability for you to quote what Martin Luther King said in the year so and so, what the Bible said in the year so and so, the rule of Habeas Corpus, the rule of even Robert this man George Orwell of the Animals Farm. He said all animals are equal, but some are more equal than the other. The ability for you to even say Agbo Malaika live in town of Lagoon, which is not far from Ibadan, make you a celebrity. They are stupid. It is stupidity. Somebody will just come on media and misbehave. Before you know, you take turn your head. Maybe you can't review. Do a man and you are not learning anything. All you are learning is stupidity. And forget that what you follow will determine what will follow you. What you follow will determine what will follow you. That's why most of them today. Imagine, look at who you are following. Look at your role model. It's useless. That's why you are useless. You are not bright today because the program you have been following for years. You cannot follow this page and become Dundee. Where you think Benin Dundee United, you cannot play for Liverpool. You are going to play for Manchester. You can't. You cannot do that. You follow this page. You cannot play for Dundee United or Liverpool. You will play for Manchester or Man City, Manchester or Chelsea, or even Arsenal. It's one program also. Gossiping, no education, no information. Nobody have ever wanted to dig deep and say, okay, this thing, I said it before this time. What Nnamdi Kanu said about Nigeria is what you are seeing today. First time for SASA Nigeria, for SASA governor to come together. And they were using member state to address. I see, the only area where you use member state is the European Union. Like EU right now, consists of the European Union. You have Denmark, you have Switzerland, you have Spain, you have Italy, you have the Belgium, you have the West Germany, you have Holland, you have, you know, you have what they call it, Luxembourg and all of that. That's why they use member states. That's what one of the SASA governors said. That it to say there is something fishing. Have you seen it before now? Have you seen it before now? People cannot even tell you what's going to become of Edo tomorrow. Their own state. All they know, once anything surface on media, without even checking the action or the motive. Now the governor said that I want to build up Africa whatever. Build it and keep those things. People are beginning to call the governor that he steals. Not be said the tea don't come up because they have inferior motive toward that thing. As if the governor is from Otuo, not be Oviedo. He has no right as number one citizen to decide to say, okay, now, to my own structure, he has bodies that he's working with. Whether not the Germans tell and say, this and want people to keep it well. Look at how we kept it. Look at the structure you are going to build. You don't confirm because of Monswo. Everyone is booking way. Or Monswo. Oh, Wanokwane are waiting and Wulo. So far, Wanokwane Waro. And without the people, there's no like Wanokwa, according to what you people claim. But the governor today, who was your no problem, the governor. No. But have you ever wanted to think about what you are doing? You don't think, you don't reason. Come here abroad. Whether the shenanigans you have in your state is in abroad. Come here abroad. And without abroad today, none of you can even survive. Do what that now I block abroad now for only 6 months. Who waya can wulo? Iga ewe bona ozere do live. Wage wa cut that abroad now. Ave go wa dele mi ma ve die deni ni ma patronize wa. Mama ri go give ma wa. Okwo no can keep what ya hin ga re. Can somebody that work on that basket 30,000 a month minimum wage? How much food is going to go use that one to buy? But we'll send up 100 euros. The person already demire, or the army 20 or 15 or whatever way, might calculate. Because we are not sitting. Let Europe be blocked for just 6 months. Daily. The reason why people, you are not listening today that people are no longer going to farm, you are not counting it because we are patriotic. We believe that is in Europe most of all. We believe in patriotism. We are all patriots here. Now only that Nigeria you see wicked politicians. People that would have time to make sure we build our society. They are the one killing it. I've said it time with that number. Let's build the state and don't let kill it. And the only way we can build it is to speak the truth. It's for people to talk truth to about the governance, about the tradition. They'll begin to capsize them. They'll begin to talk anyhow. We are here already. Maremane. How is it going to get to 6,000 kilometers? It means that you can Nigeria say, Mama, we're all seeing what. No, we're not, nowhere to fear on you. We are always saying, watching things out, this is not okay. Then it's tough you to even show sign of remorse and say, this thing we need to stop. They can't stop it. Fulani herdsmen have been killing. All these idiots, they couldn't go to and do press conference about the killings. But they went and do press conference about it. They're not bad about that. You try to correct the government, but is that the major problem? This thing left 100 years ago. What has it been contributing to your economy? We'll leave major something. We'll talk another thing. Even the so-called heritage we are talking about, what importance does it have today? When you were to be given residence, how many artifacts did they ask you about? You don't even write it in your exam in Europe, even in Germany when they want to give you your fucking, your idiotic passport. And they ever want to ask you? They don't ask you. They don't ask you to draw the head of Idi Yesigi. But today you've taken it, the people's life does not matter. Why not also do press conference about the excessive killing that Fulani herdsmen have been carrying out, that your people can no longer go to farm? You can't do that because Akpahin now. Akpahin, then you are brainwashing people. And people that would have even speak that would make the state to be good, near make an live in your say, a time is going to come, we'll see what before you people. Okorema. Okorema. Okorema, my darling. Law and order. You see the way they take la motor out. I have a teach you where or man who do go more yo who will try to park away. Who will park a That's why most Nigerian drivers today, they don't even know how to park for space like this. They can't park it. They can't. Anyhow. And God will deliver us. The story that people are supposed to say about themselves that will also help heal our society, they can never say. All they do about it is to do this and do that. The life of the people matters a lot. It matters, and we should concentrate on it. Very, very important. Cannot continue like this. Just watch out the way you are being treated when things are happening. Watch out the way you are being treated. Nobody look onto that. How can you be 20 years abroad? Up till now, what your people is passing through at home does not irritate you. You go there, go spend 1 month. Today. Look at criminality everywhere. Look at kidnapping everywhere. Become the order of the day. It is not even legit. Not be from courtesy therefore they enter the thing. Later you say you are number one. You are number this that. You are number one idiot. You are too idiotic and nomadic. That one alive. Good day everyone, please if you lay your hand on this very video, just share it. Osama Madasun, come immediately. As soon as I call this video, just try and call me. God bless you. Good day everyone, remain blessed in Jesus' name. Ciao, bye-bye.